Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase there bring the latest now Wagwan entertainment and dancehall news. And me remind you to click the subscribe icon and then click the bell icon and for leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now viewers and subscribers, when it comes to hit making, Tupac Shakur and Vybz Kartel are definitely two prominent names that stand out in the minds of artists and audience alike. Now when it comes to making hits while incarcerated, now Tupac Shakur and Vybz Kartel definitely stand alone, viewers and subscribers. Why I say that? In 1995, while incarcerated in Rikers Island in New York, Tupac Shakur dropped his second album titled Me Against the World, and that debuted at #1 on the Billboard charts. Yeah, #1, big achievement. Now if you can ask how Vybz Kartel top the Billboard charts, you can just point to one song, Who Run the World? Major Lazer and Beyonce. Vybz Kartel was accredited as one of the writers of that track, and that track definitely tapped the Billboard charts. So, moving on. We know no wonder how America prove that. But moving on. But as I'm saying, when it comes to making hits while incarcerated, Tupac definitely stand out in a hip hop. But in a dancehall music, in a dancehall arena, in the dancehall genre, Vybz Kartel definitely stands alone, viewers and subscribers. We have never seen an artist incarcerated for the amount of time Vybz Kartel has been incarcerated and still put out the amount of hits what we see Vybz Kartel put out in a dancehall music and also internationally too. Yeah, this has never been done, viewers and subscribers. At the first when I see it, we probably did not realize, but at the first this happened in a dancehall history. This is the first time in dancehall history. It's almost a decade since Vybz Kartel has been incarcerated, viewers and subscribers, and still remain as one of the most dominant dancehall artists to date. It's not a regular achievement. As them would say in a Mobi, it's not a regular braff. This is definitely not a regular braff, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to point to the fact say only Tupac Shakur must do something like this, and that is in a entirely different genre of music. One heap of other artists have had tracks top the charts hard, sales boosted from incarceration. Buju Banton did recently incarcerated and released, and upon Buju initial incarceration, there was a boost in sales, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Same thing in the hip hop genre. When Lil Wayne in 2016 he dropped a jail too, I think it was on a gun charge, there was a boost in film sales as well, and there was a release of a certain mixtape with it also top the charts as well. You know what I mean? Tekashi 6ix9ine, when he was indicted on federal charges, him sang them stuff for top the iTunes charts as well. You know what I mean? But these were tracks where they're already out there and people just start listening more and more. That initially happened for Vybz Kartel as well. When Vybz Kartel was initially incarcerated, all the songs them were already publicly available. There was a re-emergence of sales and streams. But up until that time till now, Vybz Kartel dropped fresh hits. Fresh, when nobody never hear yet. Only the few producers who were privileged to do that while the production was being made, either when the verses were being recorded or while the new production was being put together. Only them few ears they did know. Fresh hits, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel alone wants to do this. Again, we have a point to the length of time that Vybz Kartel has been incarcerated, viewers and subscribers, but still remain dominant. Still in the minds of the fans and the audience. Still in the minds of other artists as well. Because other artists would still love to get a feature from Vybz Kartel, and other artists still pay attention to how Vybz Kartel deal with music even right now. Even when they hear these new releases, they must say, yo, when it comes to creativity, teacher's talent is still unmatched in a dancehall arena. Yeah? Recently, we up on Twitter, I must say, somebody even tweeted out this. Them say at this point in time, we will stop act like say Vybz Kartel have any opposition in our music, any arch rival or any arch nemesis. Because they must say at this point in time, Vybz Kartel lyrical prowess is unmatched. So if you have an arch enemy in the music, I don't see it for real. Even Movado at this point in time, one of the most known dancehall artists. People can say, yo, Vybz Kartel definitely never bring Movado to prominence because Movado was associated with Bounty Killer and he made already in the right place to get the boss. You know what I mean? But yeah, Vybz Kartel point to the song they made him right. They said, turn the artist in a star. But as I point to, as an artist will clash with Vybz Kartel and definitely became more famous because of it, they even Movado not consider himself as an arch nemesis of Vybz Kartel. I just certain key stakeholders in the music feel away there. Vybz Kartel is unmatched viewers and subscribers. And the accolades them tell we. And the achievements them tell we. And not just personal opinion. And the achievements of the artists. The innovation we bring to music. The consistency we bring to music. And that make we say, yo, the artist is a standout artist. And not just personal opinion. Some people have it say, I just personal opinion. But no, if you look on the facts. Because the facts are reality. And if you look upon it, certain achievements that Vybz Kartel has managed to achieve in our music, we don't see other artists achieve these things. So it's not just personal opinion. It's personal opinion mixed with the facts them out there. Because of course, majority of artists and fans of dancehall music have some level of respect and admiration for Vybz Kartel and the music we put out there. Maybe and all I'm song them you like. But talk the truth. Out of the last, me that say, 15 plus years, has Vybz Kartel not put out one track where you like? Talk to me. You gotta tell me say now, Vybz Kartel entire career, you can name 5 Vybz Kartel songs where you like. I dare you to do that. Majority of fans of dancehall artists can tell you 5 Vybz Kartel songs where them like. Yeah, and Vybz Kartel is a unique artist like this. I can tell you 5 songs right now where not have no raunchiness tonight. We da call them culture song. Yeah, Jamaicans call those type of music culture song. Song we are talking about the Jamaican vibe and either it's an inspiring song or just a song we are talking about the beauty and what go on in Jamaica. Or even if it's a song about social injustice. Or we are talking about things that we like for fix, things that we like for change. But what go on in the place, we still call them music, the culture music. Vybz Kartel is a unique dancehall artist because Vybz Kartel have culture hits to him name. Remember Vybz Kartel drop a track with a long time friend, R.I.P. to him Roach. A track titled Emergency. We are suffer around here. Round here, man. Things tough around here. Round here. Tall up, man, I go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the 2 party but of the same sad song them a play? Poor people money lean back, it just a rock away. Them raise everything from aisle to Craveney, then all them raise up, everybody pay. Yo, I'm not telling a lie, the youth, normal viewers and subscribers. I wonder if you notice what Vybz Kartel do even in another line there. It's in another time frame there when Vybz Kartel drop a track there. Lean back, one track from Fat Joe did hot. In the hip hop world. Hot. Now lean back. Now lean back. Now lean the whole terror squad. Of the whole hip hop lean back. Yeah. And Vybz Kartel managed to incorporate the vibe of that. And what go on with that song there. In that line there. He said poor people money lean back and rock away. And we have to point out to these were Jamaican dances. We make it international. Yo, dancehall definitely inspire a whole heap of other genre of music, And the fact say Vybz Kartel is one of the leading names of dancehall. And why hip hop stars have it say Vybz Kartel is that go-to person for features. Right now, Major Lazer already have a big feature them about for drop with Vybz Kartel and Lord. Yeah, inspired by a track where the original king of dancehall did put out, King Yellow Man. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Big track. Not just locally, internationally. Get to me, I say viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel is definitely the go-to hit maker. As I say, I'm going Tupac, Shakur and Vybz Kartel alone. I say do this in music and entertainment viewers and subscribers. I don't know no other artists will do it. If you know a next artist will do it, drop them name in the comment section. We could contain the reason in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. If you love the reason you like what you hear, drop a like on the vlog, boss, or share on the vlog. Drop your comment as I said before. And remember now, This is very, very, very important. Click the subscribe icon. Yeah, click it. See it there right there? Click it. Then click the bell icon right after that. And you're good to go. So live, love, and prosper, viewers and subscribers, and I'm out.